Okay, setting up the TP-Link AV600 Ethernet over Powerline Wi-Fi Extender kit. It's plug and play. It works very well. This one on the left, this I need to plug next to my router. It has power and it's searching for an Ethernet over Powerline, but it won't find one. That light will go off. It's okay. Now plug in the Ethernet cable coming from the router there. And that top light will go on, and that indicates that I have at least Ethernet connection to that device. Now, this other device here, I'll stick in my shed, plugged into a socket somewhere on my electricity network, and it will connect using that cable. Okay, off to the shed. Okay, so that is an extension lead coming out of my house, that blue cable, and that runs all the way to the shed. And another extension lead, all the way into the shed. Okay, that's the TP-Link 4220. I'll just plug into there. That has power, and it already has found a Ethernet over Powerline network. So it has a connection straight away without doing anything. So now I can connect to the Wi-Fi. That's it there, TP-Link, a few numbers after it. Enter in the password. It's connected. Now open up a browser. Type in speed test. And the speed test starts. And that's showing me that I have an internet connection. But anyway, that device is 40 meters from my house. I could plug a computer into that, those Ethernet ports there, or a TV or a smart fridge. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.